Okay, so we're back. We're talking about do-it-yourself marketing. Go over to the blog.hubspot.com. These guys, I am telling you, they really know their marketing. They got some excellent tools, articles. They have a lot of things. So go over to HubSpot. I definitely recommend them. But I wanted to show you how to find a niche market, okay? Number one is reflect on your passions and interests. And when people say that, oh, go after your passion or don't go after your passion. The thing is about that is when you're passionate about something, you have a lot more longevity towards whatever you're promoting. If I love the outdoors, which I do, and I want to promote outdoor gear, I'm going to be an expert in that. And because I'm passionate about that, it's going to give you longevity. Yeah, there's going to be times where you get burnt out on it and you want to try something else, and that's cool too. As long as you mastered that one niche of your passion and your interest. Okay, number two, identify the customer's problems and needs. Okay, that's already been talked about in the Q&A. Research the competition. What is your competitors doing? To overtake you. There's a great place that you can go to. You can add this to your book market segment is similarweb.com. Just type that in and pull in. It's a free search. You can check out what your competition is doing. They'll give you those different specs on what they're doing. Let's say if they're doing display ads, search ads, or social media, and then you can pretty much dominate from there. I'll do another video on that. Number four, defining your niche and its profitability. You want to find out if selling outdoor equipment is, marketable. Is it going to be long lasting? You definitely want evergreen type of products that people are always going to use, okay? And number five is test your product and service in a small group. It could be like a Facebook group. You can boost your post of your product or your service that you're offering. Maybe you're offering a free service, a free booklet, and test it out and see what people think and then ask for comments later. So that's how to find a niche market that you can go after, and that will definitely help you out. Next up is the tip of the week.